Hi guys, welcome back to FixoLang. I'm here with yet another practice session with the FixoLang app. So let's see how this one goes. And this time I'm hoping to get a better band score. So wish me luck. So my topic for today is talk about a historical event that has played a key role in shaping a particular society. Oh, that's a very nice topic. So I am just going to think about what I can say. Okay, so before I click that start speaking button, here's a little tip that I want to share. You get 1 minute to prepare for your response. So utilize it completely. Understand the question nicely. Use the pointers that are given there. Read them clearly so that you can, frame your ideas, frame your thoughts and compile them in one go and then represent them, right? So use it wisely so that you give a better response and get a better band score. I'm going to click on the start speaking button.
You have 2 minutes time to speak. Please start after the beep.
Well, I am not that much into history, but one historical event that I am aware of is the Chipko movement. It happened in somewhat 90s or 1800s or 1900s. I'm not really sure about it, but that Chipko movement happened. It was done by a group of people because the government was chopping off certain trees and vegetation to build houses and industries, but in order to avoid that, the people, they wrapped around the trunk of the tree to protect it, because now they were attached to the tree, so the government can't chop them off because they had to chop the people as well, so they were hugging it completely so that the people could not cut it. So that was one historic moment that kind of motivated people to protect trees. That was the biggest historical event, I think, that saved a lot of trees. And since that, people have been more aware about plantation and greenery and trees and everything. They plant more trees. Apart from that, there was also one not historical event, but one event that happened in one of the states of India, where there is a village in Haryana, I think, where with every girl child born, they plant a tree in her name, and it grows with the girl child, with the child itself. She can water it, take care of it, so it's like a living plant buddy. So that's also a very great initiative to support forestation and support greenery. So these are the two historical events that I was really, uh, that I really admire. This is what something changed in the society after a very long time. People are now much aware about global warming and are much aware of the disadvantages of deforestation. Hence, they take care of things.
2 minutes time is up. Good job.
Good job. I did pretty well. So I'm going to upload. I think I did pretty well. So let's see how much score do I get. I hope I get a better score this time. But fingers crossed. Okay. So this time I have got an even lower score, which is shocking and a little disheartening as well. But I'm not going to back down. I'm going to, learn and improve. I've got a man score of 5.5. Yes, that's a bit low, and here are some improvement pointers that I can work upon. So let's talk about them. Okay, so the two major improvement pointers that I can work upon are these. Number one, use linking words. See, in order to have a smooth transition from one sentence to another, I can use certain linking words like in addition to, furthermore, for example, and so on. Number two, expand vocabulary. So this is one improvement pointer that I have been getting a lot, and I really need to work on it, that I need to use rich and vivid vocabulary to sound more fluent in my response. Apart from that, I've also got 3 new vocabulary words, so let's talk about them. Number one, non-violent resistance. It means to fight for a cause without any violence. For example, Mahatma Gandhi used non-violent resistance to fight for India's independence. Number two, afforestation. It means planting trees in areas where there was no forest earlier. For example, the government started an afforestation campaign in the village. And number three, sustainable development. It means using today's resources in a way that does not harm the future. For example, we should focus more on sustainable development. And that was it for today's practice session. I will see you super soon with another one, and I'm hoping a better band score than this one. So wish me luck for that. And now it's your turn to practice. Download the FixoLang app and get an instant band score and feedback on your IELTS speaking test. Download the app now.